Did you know a wet cough lasting over 4 weeks in kids might be more dangerous than it seems? Doctors in Germany are sounding the alarm about untreated bacterial bronchitis in young children. This condition can lead to chronic, irreversible lung damage even years later. Dr. Anna Schlegtendahl emphasizes that kids with protracted bacterial bronchitis need at least 2 weeks of antibiotics. Without treatment, some may face permanent lung issues. Her team followed up with kids 5 to 14 years after diagnosis, and many still had a chronic cough. Worse yet, there's no national guideline in Germany for diagnosing or treating it. Now they're pushing for a digital alert system to catch warning signs earlier. Their message is clear: chronic cough in children isn't always harmless. Get it checked.